What's up guys, welcome back to another shit-tastic video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust something that a lot of people go out and buy and, well, don't know how to operate. I don't know why you would do that, but I digress. I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your coilovers. Now, I'm going to be using my 350Z to demonstrate this to you guys this video. So enough talking, enough stalling. Holy shit, that's too dark. Enough stalling. Let me get everything set up and I can walk you guys through this one by one. It's super simple. This video should be super short. And yeah, let's get into this. Now, you do not have to jack up your car by the diff, but the diff is just, you know, it's an actual jack point on the 350Zs. So that's what I'm going to use to jack it up. You can get both sides or both tires off the ground. That way you don't have to switch sides with jack. Super easy, super cool, but make sure you look up whether you can jack your car up on the diff or not, because I don't want to be responsible if you fuck this up. As a matter of fact, I'm not responsible if you fuck this up. I'm just explaining this to you. Alright. First and foremost, you're gonna need a set of these. These should have came with your coilovers. If they did not, you got hoed, and that's not okay. Second, you're gonna need the right size socket or wheel lock, whatever you call it, or one of these. And fun fact, if you don't have a gun like this guy, because I'm stupid, you can always put this inside and use that to take the wheels off. So now we're gonna take the wheels off, and I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust your coils. It's super simple. Okay, so we're on the GoPro now. I kind of have my phone flashlight to give a little more light, even though it's bright as fuck outside. It's a little dark in here, but we got the wheel off. We're in the wheel well. You're looking at your entire coilover, spring and shock setup, all of it. Let me show you how to adjust these, because it's super easy. So most importantly, okay, this little ring right here at the very bottom is your lock ring. You're going to want to unlock this. It should be your small spanner wrench. Your small spanner wrench should fit this lock ring perfectly, and you can, you know, break it loose. There we go. So now that you have your lock ring loose, loosey-goosey, literally, I usually don't measure, and I got it right, but I would say measure twice, adjust once. So let's say you want to adjust a ½ inch. This lock ring is your marker for how low or high you want to go. So if you move this up ½ inch, by the time you get done adjusting the rest of this lock ring should be right here at the bottom, okay? This is where it should be. Now to actually start twisting and adjusting your ride height, you're gonna take your big spanner wrench, not the tiny one. The tiny one's not gonna fucking fit. You're gonna need the big one, okay? This is why I said, if you didn't get these, you got hoed, and that's not okay. What you're gonna wanna do with the big one, there should be 2 rings up here at the top, not this one. These 2 up here, they should be super tight against each other. They should be super tight on the spring. I hope so, for your ride quality's sake. And I think that's kind of a safety hazard too, but let's not talk about that. You're gonna want to take this and you're gonna want to put it on the ring, on these lock rings up here, just like this. Now I'm not gonna twist mine because my ride height is perfect the way I want it. It rides great. It doesn't rub, none of that. I'm completely satisfied. But I don't know if every coilover is different, because this is my first set of coilovers. But for the True Heart Street Plus coilovers for the 350Z, okay, if you twist it clockwise, you're going to go lower. If you twist it counterclockwise, you're gonna go higher. So do with that information as you will. I hope you fucking use it and listen to me. That way you can get perfect fitment like your boy. Well, not perfect, but it's perfect to me. But by the time you get done, You adjust your coilovers, your ride height. You adjust your ride height for, you know, about a half an inch or so. Your lock ring should be all the way down here. All you're gonna want to do is take your tiny one, tighten it back up, maybe hit it with a hammer, really like tap it with a hammer just to make sure it's on there nice and tight. And you just throw the wheels back on the car, drop it down off the jack, and your ride height should be, you should be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together and give you guys a proper outro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You know, it was something just short and simple. I hope I could help you guys out, teach you guys something different, teach you guys something new for those of you that didn't know how to adjust your coilovers. One of these days, I'm going to upload a Forza Drift clip on the channel, and y'all going to be in the cut like, what the fuck is this? But not really much else to say for the video. I mean, it was only 5 minutes long, so with all that being said, there's nothing left to be said. This has been JDev17, and I am out.